On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we go to the Western Antique Aeroplane and Automobile Museum in Hood River. Then, we hike to Wahclella Falls and make a pit stop at the Bonneville Fish Hatchery. Stick around.
Has a Wright 760 of 235 horsepower, whereas the
Cool.
Want to go to the beach?
Yeah, all right, we're gonna go to the beach.
Cool. Oh, it's you two again. Yeah. You can get in there.
Can we all
Yeah, you can all fit in there.
Okay.
This is a steering. So this is what's called a tiller steering. So the lever in my right hand controls the direction of the car. The lever in my left hand controls the speed of the car.
Wow.
So between these two levers, that's how you operate this vehicle.
What's that Ford truck pickup? See that?
Can we just see what's under the rat?
Bags go under the wing. And American Airways.
That looks pretty nice, actually.
It's really, the seats are really close together.
It says U.S. Army XPT 943. Look, right on the front of it.
The wings are in the back. Mom.
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
It's like a naval ambulance. See
Wait,
that?
where?
Strap the person up in the back. And then that thing covers them. I think it's dark purple.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Stingray? Yeah. Mark O. Hatfield Wilderness, Columbia River Gorge.
Yes! This is not a do not a Look, Mommy! Mommy! I got it!
Nice.
That's like a little helicopter. There's no wings.
Whew.
Hey, people on that side.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it! This is one thing.
Yeah, they are cool. Look at this pile of trees. Whoa, there's a cave, dude.
Bro. Hi, Daddy.
Go with Clyde. I'll light up right here. Watch your head, buddy.
Yeah, it keeps going forever.
Okay, you turn around when you're ready.
Wow. Bro. size of that thing.
This area is listed on the National Historic Register. Be sure to
Look
visit
at
our
that
trout show
monster.
ponds and feed the rainbow trout for a quarter.
It's huge.
The proceeds go to the upkeep